Hello class 3 children, this is your GK class. In this class, we will try to know how much you have learned your lesson. So that I'm going to ask you some question, you try to give the answer. My first question is, after you read newspaper, what should you do? Number 1, throw them in the bin, send them for a recycling, or make a paper boat. So our correct answer is, we should send them for a recycling. Second question, when you go for a shopping, your first option is carrying a cloth bag, carry things in your hand, or ask for plastic bag. So your correct answer is carrying a cloth bag. Third question, the organ affected by bad air. Your first option is intestine, second is kidney, and third is lungs. Which organ affected by bad air? So correct answer is lungs. Next question. The study of environment is called? Your option is biology, ecology, or zoology. So correct answer is ecology. Your fifth question is, you can save water for a washing. All clothes in a washing machine, all clothes under the tap, or one pair of clothes at a time. So correct answer is all clothes in a washing machine. Your sixth question is, the cheapest source of energy is? Your option is petroleum, coal, or a solar power. So correct answer will be solar power. Question number 7. This does not use any fuel. Correct so your option is car, bus, or a bicycle. So answer will be bicycle. Eighth question. World Earth Day is celebrated on? Your options are April 10, April 22, or April 8. So answer will be April 22. Your ninth question. Water available for a drinking is? Your options are 100%, less than 1%, or a 3%. So correct answer will be less than 1%. Question number 10. World Environment Day is celebrated on? Your options are 5th June, 10th July, or 8th September. So your correct answer will be 5th June. So we have learned about our environment. So you also learn this lesson. Let's move on our next revision 3. In a revision 3, children, I am going to ask you some question about the name of the country, and you try to give the answer. In the question number 1, Land of the rising sun. Which country is called land of the rising sun? The answer will be Japan. The answer will be Japan. Japan. My second question is land of the white elephant. Which country is called land of the white elephant? Which country? The correct answer will be Thailand. The correct answer will be Thailand. My third question is land of 1,000 lakes. Which country is called land of 1,000 lakes? Which country is called land of 1,000 lakes? The correct answer will be Finland. My fourth question is city of 7 hills. Which city is called 7 hills? Which country is called city of 7 hills? The correct answer will be Rome. Fifth question. The land of cakes. Which country is called the land of cakes? So correct answer will be Scotland. The correct answer will be Scotland. My sixth question is city of skyscraper. Which country is called city of skyscrapers? The correct answer will be New York. The correct answer will be New York. My seventh question is the city of Windy. Which country is called Windy City? The correct answer will be Chicago. The correct answer will be Chicago. Eighth question is city of lights. That means which country is called city of light? Which city is called of light? The correct answer will be Paris. My ninth question is gift of the Nile. Which country is called the gift of the Nile river? The correct answer will be Egypt. The correct answer will be Egypt. Question number 10. The land of lilies. Which country is called land of lilies? The correct answer will be Canada. The correct answer will be Canada. So here children, we have completed all the revision work, and these two chapters are very important for your exam. So learn this lesson for a good mark. Goodbye children.